You need to define an order of events that are going to carry you to your happily ever after.
See, we're feeling better already, right? Okay, all right.
The minute you erase aspiring from your creative title is the minute you become what it is you want to be. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. It's that simple. Opportunities do not knock. You are not an aspiring anything. You are a writer. You are an artist. You start to believe in yourself, which leads to confidence, which leads to you going out and seeking opportunities to further your creative career. Chasing your dream is not easy, but it's not impossible either.